Hello, students. If you want to improve your English, particularly spoken English, if you want to speak English fluently, then you have to do something else. I see every day students are making mistakes and they are not so careful and they are learning the things but they are not able to speak. So, let me tell you first reading, writing, and learning grammar is a different things, and speaking is a different things. If you want to speak English, then only one solution is that you have to practice. You have to speak as much as you can. So in your daily life you practice a lot, wherever you go, whenever you are. So you try to speak English, no matter in which situation you are. You just try to speak English all the time, a very small things. And if you want to practice, suppose take some question words, there is a question, uh, who is he. If there is a question who is he, then you practice, make a lot of sentences by using this structure and give answer. Like who is he, so he's my friend. Who is he, he's my colleague. He's my neighbor. He's my brother. Who is he, who is he is my cousin. He's a carpenter, he's a doctor, he's a lawyer, he is an engineer. So practice, make a lot of sentences by using that question word. And now change the questions. Who is she? If you change the questions, who is she, then make sentences. She is my sister, she is my neighbor, she is a doctor. So try to make your own sentences by using, by create your own situation. You not need any partners, है ना? I practice my English alone, I don't need any partner. You try to speak yourself and you create your own situation, and where you can put yourself. You are the questionnaire, you are the interviewer, and you are giving the interview, and you are the aspirant, and you give your you take your interview and you give as well. So you ask question and you give answer. So it's very easy nowadays. And if you want to take help of technology, so many AI tools are available, and you can use them for improve your spoken English particularly. So these days it's not difficult to speak English or to practice. So as I told you, take any sentences, create your own situation, and try to answer, put yourself in that situation, and see what can you give the answer of that particular questions. So I hope this session will help you to improve your English. So keep learning and keep watching me. If this video is informative, if you think that it is quite informative for you, so please like this video. And if you want to get fluency like me, please subscribe my channel. I'll give you so many tricks and tips how can you improve your English. Thank you for watching.